How's everybody doing? We're taking shorts on Russell.
Order filled.
Hope you're all well. So Russell, I like targeting this gap down here. Underneath this, just underneath this is what I would target. See, stops at the top. We failed the 15. Failed the 15, and it's a 4-hour continuation down. So you know we'll take some shots at this.
Order filled.
What's up? Cool. What's up, brother? How did oil do? We at 150 yet? I know Tesla fucking tanked. Sad to see it. Oil got as high as 93. Wow. Looks like they've gained now. We got market in 2 minutes. We're in 4 short on Russell. They've gained now. This looks like a decent buy, or it was anyway back here. Yeah. thing moves like crazy, yeah? All right, some sell pressure coming in on Russell. I don't know if there's news today. I haven't checked yet. I do like this this gap close on Russell down here. At least the liquidity underneath this, the start of the gap, 54. So we'll take PTs here and then here. That's the plan. You know me though, I'll push it before that. All right. Shing, I'm gonna hold this today. I'm gonna hold it at least until the swing low. All right. All right, we're out.
Order filled.
We're out of 2.
Order filled.
PT's hit. Real quick and easy today, man. Put the buy stop in there. In profit. We might re-add here. Fuck, I should have added more, man. Just 4. Not enough. Okay, we're gonna take one more off and just have the runner.
Order filled.
102 in profit. Just runner left. Really easy today, man. Quick and dirty, you know. We'll look to re-add this on Russell if they pump it a little bit more. Just take the stop out of here. Just a bit more, and I'd be re-adding. I don't know if we're gonna get to the re-add spot. We'll put one back in.
Order filled.
Sorry, the music's a bit loud. Okay, we got 2 back in on Russell.
Filled.
Okay, we got 3 back in.
Filled.
Or 4. We got 4 total. We'll go 5.
Order filled.
Okay. Okay. Nice re-add on Russell. This is gonna basically be a free trade because we made $100 already, so. I think it's all market dump. Sorry I was so late today, guys. I went out for dinner, so date night. Nope. still looks pretty dumpy, man, on across all markets. Okay, I'm gonna take a couple more out on Russell here. This could be a stop today, but it won't be that bad because we already took $100 profit. So even if we get stopped, it won't be that bad. I will sell this range. One more.
Order filled.
We will lighten the load in range if they dump it. They should reject here. Might be a stop. This might be a stop. Damn. Damn it. Fuck, that gap fill looks so juicy, man. They held the 1 hour. There's really nothing here, so I would take a stop here. Yeah, I'm taking a stop. That sucks, man. Down 255 on the day. Yeah, a little rough. It's okay. Might get it back. Oh, NQ's doing the move that I thought, then, you know. Too bad. We'll try to short this one more time. Maybe not, man. Yeah, NQ reshorted, it would have been perfect. I think they're gonna reshort here. Not yet, but this 4-hour continuation down is still kind of in play, right? But they're holding where they needed to, so I don't know, a little shaky. Maybe look for an NQ long. That gap fill down here. You think they're gonna fill that gap? Maybe. They gain this 4-hour. This is a good spot right here. Russell looking like a short now too. I'm gonna try one more time on the Russell short here.
Order fill. Order fill.
Yeah, I'm in 3 short on Russell. If this dumps, it should dump hard, like to the gap, where NQ is going. No PTs yet. still just holding short. We go a little bit of a move. Probably take one off here.
Order filled.
Down 227 on the day. The next PT is not going to be until low, man. Get this hourly close in 15 minutes, in 13 minutes too. This hourly closes down here. It's pretty good sign we're headed down. NQ still, big sells still coming in on NQ and ES. NQ almost at the gap. Pretty rough hourly if they close this down here. We'll see. 12 minutes left on the hourly. See if they're gonna try to hold this 15 or this 5. Yeah, they're trying. Reachievement on the 1. Bouncing this 5 minute. Yeah, Bitcoin did have a good move. Big bounce off the level. So they're trying to save the hourly here. It may just be stopping this out. I still like shorts here though, man. Really. I think I'm gonna re-add to the short.
Order filled.
For short. Fuck it. Ah, they're pumping it, man. I don't have this market today. You don't want to see them get above this. Right here is where they should stop it. One more.
Order filled.
How are you guys doing today anyway? Everybody good? Sorry about fucking Friday. I thought it was Saturday. Yeah, I missed it. Called in sick. My bad. We did get some progress on the trading bot though. I have access to it now. I'm gonna start streaming training it, I think. I don't know when, but sometime. Let's dump it, man. Come on, Russell. Just dump it one time for me, man. Yes. Just do it. Come on, Rust Dog. See if we can at least get new lows below this, you know? Yeah, a lot of times it's because they're different markets, right? The NQ is the top 100. Russell is all the small caps. Small caps, you know? So they're different markets. Dump it, Russell. You just take one off in range here.
Order filled.
Next PT is going to be new lows. Should just put one there. New local lows. And then after that, new daily lows. Dump it, Russell. Yes, good boy. We're still down on the day. Down about 200 bucks. Can't win every day, you know? Let's see if we can trade our way out of this. NQ looks like it's going for the gap, so ES is like in a free fall too. Let's see if we can get to there. That'll be a decent long opportunity. Almost at the PT spot for Russell. It's pretty close. I should just push it. All right, PT hit. 3 left. Down 190 on the day. I really should be bringing the stop to profit, because the NQ is going to hit this soon. They're going to bounce soon, you know? And if they bounce, then this could bounce too. Yeah, I didn't really TA NQ that well. Look at it for a bit closer. Yeah, NQ could go lower. They could hold there though. They did gain the 4 hour, so you know you gotta think that they're gonna. Oh, they're taking it pretty deep though. They could go lower. What's the next thing here? Oh, I don't even know. I don't even know what the next thing is. I would think there's going to be a bounce there though, regardless. I think how we're going to play this is just the old put the stop in profit and fucking that's it. Put the PTs in. We'll take one more PT here. 2 left. Down 165 on the day. Stops in profit for the rest. Limit 2. Next PT is just going to be like this, new lows, you know, and then I'll even leave a runner. I will chase it up though. So we'll put one here at the lows, and then we'll put one at like, we should actually put it here, you know, because they could hold that. And then one down like much lower, probably just be like holding it for the day. And we'll see. That's gonna be probably it for today. Not too much more trading to do. NQ basically at the PT spot and at the bounce spot. I'm just gonna push one of these now, man. I'm gonna take this now. All right, one PT, one runner left. Down 119 on the day. $60 of open profit. Basically break even trading today. Kind of sucks, man, you know, because I had the right idea, you know. It's just they swept it first. We will just leave this runner in here. Try to target at least the lows. I'd like to just leave it. Hey, NQ at the spot. Looks like they're bouncing. Not quite there yet, but almost. All right, this is it on NQ. This is the spot. Bit hard to take that trade, but maybe they'll gain this on the 1 minute. We shall see. ES still has a long way to go. Yeah, it could come back, I guess. It's like break-even trading, though. I should have made more, right? And Q at the spot. But can't force it, man. Should really wait for sweeps sometimes on Russell. I'm just gonna leave that runner in case they go for the gap. Yeah, on NQ it's better to wait for something. They just fucking dumped hard, so it's hard to take it because you know where are you gonna stop it here? Just under this candle? You can't have a giant stop on NQ. So you need to wait to see what happens here. Will they gain this? Maybe. That's a pretty huge dump, so you know. Could be looking at lower. The PT spot for this trade is going to be just this right here. Yeah, I think we hit it for sweeps too. The bottom of this too. The bottom of this. Probably be a reaction. This is NQ now. Russell dumping hard. I think I'm going to close the Russell trade and be a break-even trader today. Could just move up the stop a bit, you know. It's already moved up though, like basically, unless I want to chase it on the 1 minute. Move it up to here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna just close this.
Order filled.
All right, down $48 on the day. It's basically break-even trading, man. Let's watch NQ. Let's watch NQ. This was the PT spot on Russell. NQ at the spot. We'll take one long on NQ. Huh? What do you think? Should we? A little late now. This is the level that I had tagged that it's bouncing now. It looks like it's working, yeah. Okay, liquidity's coming up on Russell too here. This? Yeah, I guess a little bit. I don't know. I don't, NQ moves so fast, and like, I don't like having super tight stops, you know? But this one would have worked, you know? We could have, it literally tagged the level to the fucking dollar. But that's a tested level, so that's, you know, shouldn't be taking those trades, honestly. Even though it worked, that level's tested. The only reason why it would have been an okay trade is because there's a giant gap, right? So like the top of it wasn't tested, so the bottom of it is tested. The level that they're bouncing right now is tested, but the top was not. So bit risky. After being in losing trades today, I usually veer away from the risky trades. I wouldn't mind taking a reshort on Russell, honestly. If they bounce it back up here. Yeah, I'm looking at this right here, this level. So if they bounce it back above that, I would consider reshorts with stops up here. So, but we'll see. They kind of already tagged it, right? They took the liquidity here on the 1 minute, so it's already been done. There's really nothing left to do here, man, today. The last thing would just be ES on the ES gap fill. So the ES gap fill is coming up. They haven't bounced it yet. They haven't done it yet. Liquidity on NQ. Good thing we didn't take that trade. Yeah, see, risky. It's already tested. Even though they bounced it, it's hard for tested levels to hold, you know. And then there's this stuff coming up on Russell also, right? Like the longs down here. This on Russell, so this is where I initially thought they were going, but I never hold my fucking trades. I don't know why. The Russell just took 4-hour liquidity too. This is the 4-hour level, so they just took 4-hour liquidity. See if they can bounce it from that. NQ almost at the liquidity spot. After that, I don't know what's going on with NQ. How's Tesla? Oh, still, man, what a dump on Tesla. Jesus Christ, man. Wow. Holy shit, dude. Jesus. They just ripped through the fucking untested level. That's not a good sign. Let's have a quick look at Tesla and just see where this thing could be stopping. This is not looking good for Tesla anymore. You really wanted them to hold this, man, you know, so yeah, and now this doesn't look the greatest. You don't want them below this, and they're having weekly closes below, so I think that's kind of it, man, today. You know, negative $48 on the day. Should have done better than that, but sorry, I'm having a little bit of connectivity issues here. There we go. Should have done a little bit better than that, but like it's not yet. NQ holding here, yeah. NQ trying to hold this. It looks fucking scary though. Looks spooky, man. If I didn't take that stop, I would have just, like, if I would have just held on to the position, I would have made bank. I would have been up $300. So sucks that I took that stop and had to fight my way back. All right, what are you gonna do? So I'm gonna leave it there. A little bit of a short stream. Sorry I was late. Like I said, I was having dinner. Do you guys have any charts you want me to look at before I get out of here? Can we look at CL? Yeah, it's going to $150. On high time frame, yeah, weekly. So it bounced the shit out of this weekly, failing this weekly. So it's stuck in between these two. This is not a failure of a weekly because they made new highs. So this is just a weekly continuation. So they're continuing this weekly. And the next stop is above this. So the next stop is above 97, the weekly liquidity. Can clear this shit off here and make it a little bit more legible here. So this was the low. This was the gap, and this was the weekly swing that they bounced like crazy. This is the weekly swing that they're failing. So this is the weekly swing that they're failing. So right now we're in this on the weekly, on the high time frame. We're in this envelope, right? We're from here to here. This is an internal trend on the weekly. So the internal weekly failed. So they're failing the internal, but the main trend is still intact. So the main trend is still here. So as long as they hold this, they're going to, and they did, they held it, they bounced it like fucking crazy. So they're going to the next spot up. Yeah, they're going to the next spot up. They closed above this, right? So this was the move that made the all-time high. This move here. This here. So you want to see them close back above that, right? Well, they did. They closed multiple weeks above it, and then they bounced the shit out of the weekly. So like this is probably moving higher, right? I would think. And then if you want to just do a fib retracement on this whole move on CL on oil, the next logical place is like, you know, $175. If you look at it, if you look at just this more recent move, 150 has a few fibs. So I would think in this area is where it's going. That would be my guess. Yeah, in Indonesia, the government stepped in. They just froze the price of gas. So the companies can't raise it. Because if they hike the price of gas here in Indonesia, fuck man, like people won't be able to. Everybody's poor already, right? So like, how are they gonna get to work and shit? You know, look at this dump now in Russell. Wow, should have held my positions. Yeah, everything uses oil, all manufacturing, you know, that lots of things, right? This shit's gonna be getting expensive, I think. So, did NQ gain anything? They're trying, yeah. Trying to gain here. No success though. Yeah, so there's nothing really left for me to do here. So we're gonna leave it there. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys all for stopping in. Sorry it wasn't more profitable today. Negative $48. That's going in the Discord for the receipts. You know, can't win them all. But hey, what are you gonna do, right? It's not too bad. I should have done better because it's the market's doing exactly what I said it was gonna do, right? So it's a bit rough. You have you have the right idea and then but you still lose money. Okay, I guess that's trading. Minus 48. decent long opportunity on Bitcoin. I don't like it though. See, even this NQ one, look, see, it's gonna sweep the liquidity here. Cool. Well, that's the stream for today. Thank you guys for coming out. Yeah, you're afraid when I add a lot of contracts? Fuck, if I would have done that, today on Russell, I would have made bank, right? Like if I would have had 10 contracts when it was like when the market was here, I was shorting it here on this pump, right? So if I added 10 contracts there when the market was there, I would have been making bank. I would have definitely had runners left if I had 10. Anyway, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.